Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today fam, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys do not disturb setting guys how can we turn off. Friends you want to off guys your phone do not disturb settings. So fam, how can you off it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting to off guys do not disturb. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. So how can be off guys phone do not disturb setting friends, you will have to click on guys your phone notification setting guys. I will tap on guys phone notification, then guys scroll it. As you can see your do not disturb guys, tap here. As you can see do not disturb setting guys. So we will off from here. After off guys you can see your do not disturb is off. So as we can use our phone with all volume setting without any problem. So like that guys you can turn off your do not disturb. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to turn off do not disturb. So bye guys.